Are you sure you know how to give your cat a long and healthy life? Let's put your knowledge to the test with these 8 essential tips. Having a cat is about so much more than just having a cozy companion. And did you know science is on your side? Studies show that a cat's presence can help lower stress and even reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. In fact, researchers at the University of Minnesota found that cat owners have an impressive 30% lower risk of a heart attack, even more than dog owners. But this relationship is a two-way street. The pet who has such a positive effect on us needs our protection and attention in return. So let's go over 8 key areas of cat care to make sure you're doing everything right. Keep your pet's weight and activity in check. A chubby cat might look cute, but it's actually a red flag. Excess weight not only makes it harder for a cat to stay active, but it also leads to diabetes, arthritis, and heart problems. While this is more common in older animals, a young pet can also pack on extra pounds. Sometimes this can signal more serious issues like hypothyroidism or abdominal tumors. If you notice your cat suddenly gaining weight, don't delay a trip to the vet. To maintain a healthy shape, your cat needs 2 things: a balanced diet and plenty of physical activity. Encourage your cat to move with toys, puzzle feeders, and multi-level cat trees. 2. Prevent contact with stray animals. Should you let your cat roam free? Many owners believe outdoor walks are beneficial, but the reality is far from ideal. The outdoors is a source of infections and dangerous encounters. One of the biggest threats is the feline immunodeficiency virus, or FIV, which weakens the immune system and is spread through bite wounds. And despite a common myth, research from the Cornell Feline Health Center shows the virus is rarely transmitted through shared food bowls or litter boxes. The ideal solution is to create a safe, stimulating environment for your cat indoors. If you do decide on walks, keep them strictly supervised and prevent any contact with potentially sick animals. 3. Don't ignore digestive problems, vomiting, or diarrhea in cats. When should you worry? An isolated incident isn't always a cause for concern. However, if vomiting or diarrhea becomes a regular occurrence, it's a clear signal to see a vet immediately. These symptoms can point to anything from a simple food intolerance to inflammatory bowel disease or even cancer. This is especially true for older cats, but young animals aren't immune to serious illnesses either. Also, watch for other signs like a loss of appetite, lumps, or changes in their litter box habits. The sooner a problem is diagnosed, the better the chances of successful treatment. 4. What does a dirty litter box have to do with kidney health? Everything. Many owners don't pay enough attention to the cleanliness of the litter box. That's a mistake. A dirty box causes a cat to urinate less often, holding it in for as long as possible. This habit is extremely harmful. Holding urine for too long can lead to infections and, over time, may cause chronic kidney and urinary tract diseases. Besides keeping the litter box clean, ensure your pet always has access to fresh drinking water, and that your home is free of hazards like toxic plants, such as lilies. 5. Protect your pet from fleas and their consequences. Fleas aren't just an annoyance, they're a real threat. These parasites are especially common in cats, particularly when they're young. Most kittens rescued from the street or a shelter will get fleas in their first few months without proper treatment. Fighting fleas requires a comprehensive approach. Use high-quality preventative products, regularly treat your living space, and prevent your pet from coming into contact with infected animals. 7. Pay attention to dental and gum health. Over half of all cats older than 4 suffer from dental problems. Is yours at risk? Oral health has a direct impact on a cat's overall well-being. According to the Cornell Feline Health Center, dental diseases are widespread. Cats often suffer from gingivitis or gum inflammation. If left untreated, this can lead to irreversible periodontitis and tooth resorption, causing tooth loss and allowing infection to spread throughout the body. Try to brush your cat's teeth regularly with a special brush and paste. If that's not possible, use veterinary dental gels or treats. 8. Remember, your cat is a predator. Watch the carbs in their diet.